Ladies should easily be broken. That's their nature. That's their nature. You must actually love a woman when she's always broken.
What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please welcome. So guys, if I tell you kuti inini I'm a #1 fan of Apostle TF Chiwenga's sermons, like my sermons are when he preaches about the gospel, like they are top notch. But one thing that I go against Apostle TF Chiwenga, Chin1 Apostle TF Chiwenga Vanotuka Vanu, guys, like he addresses others in a very bad way, guys, which is against Christianity, guys. Kana uri mukristu, you know what I'm saying, kuti you don't look for the appropriate word so that I don't seem like I'm attacking him, or I don't seem like I'm trying to but if you are a Christian, you don't let your strengths weaken others. Kana uri mukristu iwewe une simba, don't let others, you don't let simba rako iroro kuti ridzikise simba revamwe. Henceforth mamwe mawords avanoshandisa likening people to animal, calling others dunderheads. Mamwe mawords avanoshandisa addressing others, they are not nice, guys. Nakunaka. So before I speak in for myself, you think maybe this lady is just here trying to attack Apostle TF Chiwenga. While at least I don't have anything against him. Apostle TF Chiwenga, I think he's someone who's very generous, munari, straightforward, very generous, but I'm just against the words, the type of vocabulary that he sometimes uses, which he's not supposed to be using as a Christian. So I want you guys to listen to these clips and then to also discuss her more after you guys have listened to these clips. And then
he's a thief. He's training his people to be dishonest. Yes. Imagine having these church members as your neighbors, empty heads, and speaking great vocabulary around empty heads. Why would you say tetragram? Tetragrammaton kuna zigwano zwachi. Kana kuna mparinga, kana kuna masangu. That maponga is jobless. He's not employed.
So besides being a Christian, being human, kutova munhu chaiko, there are words that you cannot use uchishandisira mumwe munhu just kutonzora munhu. There are words in it that I'm not supposed to be telling the next person. Even ndakamaka, I might use them in my heart, but I cannot speak them out loud. Ndichitomudza munhu wachona achitozozvinzwa, it's bad. And totozouya kuchikamu cheukristu, being Christians, we can never use those words to each other. Just like the other time he called T. Freddy Gala, that's likening T. Freddy to an animal, which is not good. It's not good at all. You can address that person utomuudza kuti zvawakaita zvakaipa, usina kushandisa mawords anolikena munhu to an animal like that. So I feel like sometimes he is trying to express a point, but the type of vocabulary avanozochuza, sometimes vanenge vakutuka vanhu, sometimes vanenge vakutaura mashoko asingaiti, of which shoko raMwari rinoti love one another. Iwewe madira unoita mumwe, ida mumwe semadira aunoda kuitwa nemumwe. I heard the other time on this sermon that he was doing, and he was talking about Apostle Mparinga, and he said a lot, guys, including his status. Zvekutosvika pakutotaura status yemunhu yeurwere, and I feel like that was so deep. Semunhu waMwari iwewe should be sensitive pane imwe information yaunogona kunge unayo, but information iyoyo kuva nayo hazvirevi kuti unofanira kuitaura. Just like in life general, you could know some things about someone, but it's not like if you know those things you're supposed to speak them out. I think ipapo ndo panouya kamwe kakumachua nekakukura kukura kana kumature, it's not about age, it's about the way you handle yourself and the way you handle things, especially zvinhu mumoyo. Like someone could be 50 years but ari munhu wekuti akanzwa nyaya kana kuti akaona zvinhu, he or she speaks them out, asina kufunga kuti zvinhu zvandikutaura izvi, mashoko andiri kutaura, how will the next person feel, achanzwa sei kana kuti achafunga sei akanzwa mashoko aya. So I feel like sometimes Apostle T.F. Chiwenga needs to be a little bit sensitive. He's a straightforward person. I know, like I've seen his sermons, like I've watched him. The guy is straight. Vantaura chokwadi. But kana uchitaura chokwadi chako ngachive chisingazo vene kutuka mukati, because if you're saying the truth does not include being offensive. Chokwadi chichokwadi. Iwewe hako ukazozvitora nematorero asiriwo unenge wakanganisa, that's to you, ndopa akanakira chokwadi. Iwe ukazozvitora zvikakurwadza, zvichakurwadza iwewe but chokwadi. But offending someone hachisisiri chokwadi manje, iwewe wakuita sekuti wakunanga chituko munhu direct. So I feel like Apostle T.F. Chiwenga needs to tone it down a bit when it comes to addressing others. Unokwanisa ndosaka most of the times vasingazotorwi serious when he is talking about serious issues sometimes, because the type of words that you use, vocabulary imwe avanoshandisa inenge ine kakutuka, like ofichi munhu waMwari. They should be a person of God, munhu anofamba naMwari. They should love and forgive. And also on the issue of Mparinga, I heard him talking about Mparinga, Chichichi, they had a back and forth. And I'm like, why would people who love God have a back and forth? Imimi should be an example yekuti vanhu vaMwari vanokwanisa kunetsana because they are human, but they can forgive each other and unite back again. Henceforth, taifana kutoona Apostle T.F. Chiwenga naMparinga vachitowirirana vachitodzokedzana, just like that issue of Prophet Walter Magaya yavakati anzi, I don't want this lady from UFIC to come to court njani. I think it's not necessary, because you are both Christians, you go to churches. Saka, why are you afraid? Why are you shaking? Kuti mwe munhu imwe church auya tonge nyaya yako. If you are clean, why are you shaking? If you are both Christians. Saka I feel like sensitivity kanodikanwa sometimes kana uchizviti uri muKristu unonamata Mwari. That's being a Christian. Because kunamata kunoonekwa nemabasa nezviito. Tinonamata kuchurch, but most of our times we are off church. Saka kunamata kwedu, kunamata tiri kwatinoshandira kana kuti kwatinogara. So be a person who can define Christ pese pauri. Not saying that we should be perfect, but sometimes ukaramba ungoita seuti unotuka vanhu, it's not nice. Guys, ndo maonero nemafungiro angu. Comment down below kuti munhu wechikristu anofana kuusa certain words here, anofana kuaddressa vamwe sei, because inini I feel like some of the prophets are offending others, which is not nice.